Hold up, wait a minute. Jackson State then got some new uniforms. Yes, sir, man. They done got some new uniforms. I done seen the pictures, y'all. Hey, they look good. You feel me, man? They got that baby blue going on. Got that North Carolina blue going on. You feel me? So, man, hey, I'm finna check out the drum majors marching now over there, man. At the Orange Blossom, I believe that is the name of the classic. They just played against FAMU. Hey, man, let's check this out. All right, man, let's get straight into this, you feel me? Hey, J5, show me what you got, man. I low-key like the new uniforms, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Leave some in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about the new uniforms. I like them, man. They stand out, you feel me? They kind of bright, though. I ain't gonna count you down. They kind of bright. Hey, it might be a little hard to keep clean, too, because you know them lighter colors be hard to keep clean. So, boy, hey, they gonna have a dry cleaning bill. But anyway, man, Jackson State J5, show me what you got. Y'all marching out, man. Let's get straight into this. Let's go. Okay, banner girls. I see the banner girls. All right. They got some baddies. Well, War and Thunder out there, boy. They bringing it. Come on, J5. Roll off. I like when they be saying that. Okay, get the plumes now. Get the plumes now. Let's go. Who got the baddest banner girls? Y'all let me know in the comments. Who got the baddest banner girl? Cause hey, Jack, they got some baddies.
Really good?
Okay, here we go. Let's go, J5. Word. Come on now. Get it in the tunnel. Let's go. Hey, y'all better sound off in this tunnel, too. Yes, sir. Come on, trombones. Hey, somebody need to let that up a little higher, because we got tubes coming through. Hey, low-key look good right now. It look good in this light. I ain't gonna catch y'all there. Let's go, J5. Hey, ooh. That move clean. That move clean. I see y'all. In certain lightings, the new uniforms look really good. They look really good. Okay, he turned down the exposure. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it look good. Let's go. Hey, hey. Y'all better be smooth with it. Let's go. Ha. Hey, all right. Gotta give me some more life, though. Give me some life, though. Trumpets, what y'all doing? What y'all doing, Trumpet? IJ says y'all look good too. I see y'all.
That's right. That's right. Black and
Okay.
black and blue.
Hey, I ain't care that they look good though. They look good, bro. They really do look good. I like them. Finally hear the drums now. War and Thunder coming through there. Woo-wee. Get it in there. Boy, I wish I was a drum major. I ain't gonna even lie. They drum majors make you want to be a drum major. Just they style, you feel me? All right, drumline, I hear y'all back there, them snares. right. Yeah.
Come on.
All right, I think that might be the end of it. Let me see. Oh, no, it ain't the end? Oh, it ain't the end. Let's go. Man, give me some more, though. Give me some more, J5. Turn me up now. Turn me up. All right now. All right, Jay says I see you. That rock, bro. That rock give me every time I see him doing that rock. Okay. I think this might be the end. Maybe they might play one more. I ain't gonna cut it out. They might play one more. Oh yeah, I think they gonna do something. Oh yeah, we got one more. Oh, here we go. Now they're about to do it. Now they're about to do it. This is one I like. Let's go. Woo. That train, boy. That black and blue. Yes, sir. Somebody gotta tie her shoe now. We want her to fall over his shoe. She's still going down. Okay. Come on, ladies. Them chords sound good. Come on now. Ooh, the chords sound good. I hear y'all. Come on, son. Get out the way, man. Trying to see the band. Hey, the uniform look good, man. I ain't kept y'all down. I don't know what that trumpet was doing. Them trumpets being adventurous, boy. That rock, though. Hey, I ain't gonna count y'all down. I kind of like the way, like, Southern kind of structure, how they structure their instruments when they marching. Cause I feel like you get a better, just a whole better balance like that, man. But I understand this is the traditional way to stack your instruments when you're marching. Them choices look good though, bro. I ain't gonna count, boy, they look good. Come on, Queens. Boy, I've been playing snare, boy. Yes, sir. Come on, snares. Come on, Z's. I see y'all. Man, them boy be plucking, boy. I hear you, War and Thunder. Yeah, come on now. Give it a woodwind. Yeah, I see y'all. That rock look good, boy. Oh, his rock ain't. He got the tide rock. All right, woodwinds out there. Hey, boy, them joints look good, boy. I ain't gonna cat y'all down, bro.